Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to justify text using Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me in this tutorial, I'm using Brave. Of course, for you, you can use other browsers. So let's just go here to the URL, type squarespace.com, hit the enter button, and here we are, we will be here. So that actually will be your home or main screen. Of course, if it's your first time using the website, you'd like to go and create your account on that. And if it's not your first time, and if you actually have some templates ready or some websites ready, just go and click at your icon here. If you don't have, just choose one of them from templates here. So after clicking at my icon, which it will take me into my dashboard, here I'll find the website that I'm working on. So let me just click on one of them, click at view or go to websites, and here I'll be actually to edit a website. So of course here I'll have like this, we will ignore that, so we'll just go here and click at edit. So as we said, we would like to justify the text. So let's just go here. So let's as an example, your actual, like, what is this, website don't have some text. So all you need to do, just go and click at add section, click at blank section, add a blank section, and here, sorry, so here story will appear to you like a blank section. So of course you can click at add block, and here you can just go and choose the text. So of course if you don't find it, just go and type text here, then click add text. So here you can like make it bigger, less, or type here whatever like you want. So let's say as an example, you already did that, so you want to justify your text in here. So just go here, select the text. Of course you can just justify by text alignment. Of course you can do that, this, choose here whatever you want. You can like use it as a header. You can even change the size of it, the color of the text, and you can do more other stuff. So this will be actually for the tutorial. If you done of that, click at done and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching and goodbye.